Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Want to connect your Godaddy domain to your Vercel project in 2025? Here's the step-by-step guide, fast and easy. First of all, go to your Vercel dashboard, select your project, then go to the settings tab, then then domains, then click add and enter Godaddy domain. Vercel will now give you DNS records, usually A records or a CNAME. Copy those values there. What GoDaddy needs to point your domain to Vercel. Now go to godaddy.com, log into your account and select My Domain section. Find your domain, that then hit Manage DNS. Delete the default A record and replace it with the A records from Vercel. If Vercel gave you a CNAME instead, add it under the CNAME section. Go back to the Vercel and click Verify. It may take a few minutes to propagate, but once done, your domain will be live on Vercel. So that's it. You have successfully connected your GoDaddy domain to Vercel in 2025. Like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. Thanks for watching.